Hi, it's the second week of August out in the UNL pollinator plot. And just looking out here, you can see we've done quite a bit of landscaping if you've been following our videos. This is the water-wise plot. We just today put in a little stone path with quarter minus. I rented a compactor from Home Depot to help sort of compact the soil as well as put in that rock. See, this really ties in the pollinator plot. One of the reasons why I wanted to show you this, just besides design consideration, is that by putting this sort of rock path in, hopefully to help us keep the weeds down in this section, you won't have to do anything where this path is to control the weeds. So it should be really nice since we compacted that soil and put probably 2 inches of quarter minus rock on there. Will help us certainly keep the weeds down, so we won't have to do anything hopefully on that section other than do a little bit of maintenance and putting more of that gravel down every year. But it looks gorgeous. We've got 2 different types of mulch going on here. Obviously the mulch is keeping the water in the ground, as well as providing some light, actually sort of a way to reflect light. We do have some dark mulch around the edges. Obviously that mulch is going to get a little bit hotter, so there's some disadvantages to it, but I do like how it's provided a little bit of pattern here and beauty here in our garden. You can see we've got our drip and water-wise irrigation here. This is actually a spray head that's watering 2 plants. It's fairly efficient compared to most systems. Most of what we have here, especially in the bushes, is sort of this drip irrigation. We have that in there, and we don't have to do a ton of watering. About 2 hours of watering does a fantastic job for us in getting about 1 inch of water on each of these plants. We've only been doing that on the weeks where we haven't got rain, which this week we haven't received any rain yet. So that's sort of what's been going on in the pollinator plot. As you can see, we're slowly progressing in the water-wise plot. We're getting close to being done for the year. Just have a little construction to do to make some benches that are cinder block benches, which we'll show you in a video later as we develop that here over the next few weeks. But we just have about all the plantings in, and certainly have most of the landscaping done, other than a little bit more mulching and cleaning up around the edges. So look forward to showing you some more videos, and we'll certainly do one on installing those benches over here and how we put those together. You see those a lot on the do-it-yourself home shows on TV, but we're going to do our own and kind of show you how we're doing that with recycled materials. Anyway, look forward to sharing more with you in the future.